Alright guys, Bitget Wallet introduced a new feature on their platform, so you can now send your token directly from your wallet. So no need to transfer funds from here to there. So just if you have money on your wallet, you can sell it directly to your bank account. So and what you have to do first, you click on more, click on pay here, then click on bank transfer here, click on bank transfer, then you add your bank name, bank account number. So but you have to deposit a USDT first. You need to have a USDT or USDC for you to be able to make a transaction, to be able to send. So you need to add, if you don't have any of the coin, maybe you have from other wallets, you can transfer it here then sell it. So let's deposit some token here. So click on wallet. Here you need to deposit using a Polygon network because they have a low fee during transaction than other networks. So click here, select Polygon here, select Polygon, not all networks, just select Polygon here, add it, then click on USDT see it here, click on it, click on deposits, use a receive crypto asset here, click on it, then copy your receive address, and make a deposit. Remember, you are depositing on the Polygon network. Don't make the mistake while transferring the funds. Just deposit USD with USDT Polygon network. Yeah, okay. So I need to make some deposit here. Yes. Alright, I have some funds here, so I need to transfer it to the wallet for me to be able to make the transaction. So I click on this Polygon here, USDT Polygon. But if you are transferring from exchange, it will be different. If you are transferring from exchange, maybe you are transferring with Bitget exchange, Bitget Wallet, Bitget Wallet or Binance, it will be different. So if you are transferring the funds from Bybit or Binance, it will be different. So what you have to do on a Binance or Bybit, if you are transferring from a Binance, that's the exchange, not wallet. Now if you are transferring from exchange, as the same thing it is on a Binance or other wallet. Just go to assets, click on withdraw here, then select the asset USDT on USDT here, on chain withdrawal, then paste the address you copied from the wallet. Just paste it here, choose the network. The network is Polygon, so let's check Polygon. See it here, Polygon POS. Choose it and choose the amount you want to withdraw. The amount you want to withdraw, any amount you want to withdraw here, you put the amount here. Their fee here from exchange, here from exchange is 1 USD. Fee is 1 USD here. Let's see, type 5 USD. Fee here is 1 USD. But if you are transferring from exchange, that will be different. They will charge you low. So if you are transferring from a wallet, so you just click on the asset here, click on transfer, you go to transfer here, then paste the wallet address, click on next. Then you can put any amount you want to say, but I'm sending all max 100%. Next, they are charging you less amount. Like if your wallet is still new, no charges here. But if you have been using the wallet before, they will charge you some little gas fee. That's 0.01. It's not that much. So just click on confirm here. Security, verify. Allow it go back. The funds have already sent out from this wallet, so you need to go check and confirm now. Just refresh. Okay, so what you have to do next now is to make the transaction. You can now send your token out, you can now sell it to your bank account now. So click on home here, go to more. You can go straight to bank transfer, but click on go to pay more. Click on bank transfer here, add your bank account here, add your bank account in Nigeria or Mexico. So Nigeria, let's use okay, add the account number 77, add now, then put the amount you want to transfer out. I will use 1,000 as an example. It's sufficient for, so just click on this USDC, click on USDT polygon here. That's where your funds is. So if your wallet is new, they will charge you no gas fee here, so just pay now. Yo, verify. Alright, the payment is successful, so you can now check it on your bank account now. That's it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to help this channel grow. You can transfer any amount that you want, just minimum of 1,000 naira. That's minimum, that's 0.7 USD. So 1,000, you need 1,000 naira minimum. 1,000 naira, and maximum is 703,000 naira. That's minimum and maximum amount you can transfer out here. So you can be doing it 700,000. So let's say you want to transfer about 1.4 million. So you'll be doing it, divide it into to transfer it 700,000. So just any amount here. Let me do it twice here. Click on this wallet balance, choose your wallet balance here, just pay. It's very easy, very easy. Confirm. Payment successful. That's it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to help this channel grow. And if you have any question, put them in the comment section. I will reply. Thank you.